let you go.
In this video, we will be having a look at EROFS. EROFS is much like Lineage OS with some more customization and provides almost similar experience. So let's begin. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe as most of the viewers are not subscribed, so consider subscribing to get more video like this. So to flash this ROM, the first step is to flash TWRP or Orange Fox recovery with support for dynamic partition. You can flash it via fastboot or from the recovery that you are using. You can skip this if you already installed the recovery. So I'm flashing it via Orange Fox. Just select the file, then select the recovery. If you are having any problems or want to know more about flashing steps, then you can watch the video that should appear on top right corner. After flashing, reboot to recovery and format data. Then go to advanced wipe and change data and cache partition to F2FS. After doing that, you can just flash the ROM via recovery if you have SD card, or just sideload it from PC. And that's it. After installation is done, just reboot the device. So as you can see, it is working fine. After completing the setup, I quickly opened the wallpaper and styles to check what kind of customization are available there. And I found out that there are some extra options like font, icon shape, system UI icons, grid layout, and lock screen shortcuts are available from here as well. Then under settings, I didn't find any overwhelming customization which takes hours just to set up as the way I want. They provided some features like thermal profiles and the battery settings. Display settings have some customization on the very bottom like network traffic indicator, status bar icons, double tap to wake and sleep, and ambient display as well. EROFS also provides app lock and enhanced security for PIN by disabling the animation, which is also officially coming to Android 14. I don't use gestures that much, but for those who like gestures or button shortcuts, then there are some extra ones like quick torch, swipe to screenshot, playback control, and others as you can see. There is one more thing that is in app settings, and that is parallel space, which can clone the selected apps, and you can see that app with a work icon beside it, just like work profile. So if I enable it for Call of Duty, then it will show two apps in drawer. One is normal and another one is marked with work icon. So users who are looking for customization might be crying in corner, because this is what you get in terms of customization. Other than customization, this ROM comes with the August security patch and uses Neko kernel. Both of this is maintained by the same developer. One more thing is that this ROM also changes the system partition to enhanced read-only file system, which is the latest and better file system that you can get on any Android. Safety Net and Widevine is not a problem for this ROM, as the Safety Net is passed by default and the Widevine certification is L1, so banking and streaming won't be a problem if you don't root the device. Benchmark results with Geekbench shows pretty similar result as any other ROM with 4.19 kernel, but the results are not similar for CPU throttling test. As you can see, the test result is bad, and the same was noticed in gameplay as well. It does not affect too much, but can be a problem if gaming for a long period of time. Also, you can expect good battery life from this ROM, as it is balanced ROM. I also didn't face any major bugs like the camera issue in other 4.19 kernel ROM, although I felt like the UI is not that smooth as other ROM. So yeah, this ROM can be a good option for the users who don't use customization too much and want to live a relaxed life. This ROM can be used as a daily driver as it is stable and can provide good battery life as well. I'm saying this because I kept my device idle for 8 days with 100% battery, and yet it was above 50% and other ROMs failed to do so. Download links is in description, and that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, comment if you have any questions, and share this video with your tech mate.